everyone, welcome back. Today we have L'Oreal Paris permanent hair color. So let's see how it performs. The MRP of this pack is 769, but I got it from Amazon at 38% discount for just 473. It comes in 9 different color shades and the one I have here is dark brown and this is an ammonia free hair color. Inside the pack we get a user manual, then there are 2 gloves and this is the 60 ml cream developer and then 60 gram of coloring cream and this is 40 ml nourishing hair mask or conditioner and lastly 12 ml of shampoo. Okay, here is the application tip. Make sure that you do the patch test 48 hours before applying to check for any allergies. Now, okay, this is a single use pack but I don't need the whole thing right now. So taking out the cream and the developer in 1:1 ratio equal parts and after mixing there is no strong or pungent smell, which is great. Now apply it thoroughly to your roots and the texture is very creamy, it doesn't drip and it's very easy to apply. Now cover your hair from the roots to the length and leave the hair color on for about 30 minutes. Now it's time to wash it off using the shampoo provided in the pack and after that use the hair mask. Oh, look at the result. The gray coverage is amazing, 100% coverage. It looks like a completely natural hair color and all the grays are covered evenly in one go. And the hair mask leaves the hair feel shiny and smooth after the wash. Totally worth it. Since it is a permanent hair color, the hair color stay, but you need to touch up the root once the root starts to grow back. In my case, it is like 10 days. And if you're looking for a premium hair color that doesn't damage your hair, L'Oreal Creme Excellence is a great option. Definitely worth a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.